Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video we learned about how to write a program to find sum of first and natural number. So we learned about program to find sum of first and natural numbers. So in this video, if you haven't watched my last video, I would suggest you to watch that video first and then come back to this video. So in this video we will learn about how to write the same program in order of one-time complexity. So as we discussed, the time complexity of the last program was order of n. As the to find the sum, we are iterating n times. N is the value that we have provided. So to find the solution for the above problem in order of one-time complexity. Order of one-time complexity means output is not dependent on the size of input. So if we give n equal to 1000 or n equal to 2 or n equal to 500, that will not affect how much time the program will take. Because in the first one, if n is 5, then this will iterate 5 times. So it will take that much time. But if n is 1000, then it will iterate 1000 times. So it will take longer time. But if the time complexity is order of 1, then output is not dependent on the size of input. So how can we solve this problem in order of one-time complexity? We can simply use formula, mathematical formula. So if you see our sum of first, so what is the problem? So it is sum of first n natural numbers. So suppose if my n is 5, so it is sum of first n natural numbers, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Suppose n is 4, so sum of first 4 natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1. So if you see, this is an arithmetic series, arithmetic progression series. So to find, how do you know it is an arithmetic progression series? So if the difference between if the difference between these values, if the difference between second value and first value is equal to the difference between third value and second value, and similarly difference between fourth value and third value, if the difference between the consecutive numbers is same, then it is an arithmetic series. So if you see 2 minus 1 is what? Our second number minus first number is 1. And our third number minus second number, 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So the difference between the consecutive numbers is 1. So that's why it is an arithmetic series. So to find the sum of an arithmetic series, the formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So n is our number of digits. So how many digits are there? There are 4. So n will be 4. If I would have taken sum of first 10 natural numbers, then it will be 10. So 4 divided by 2. So let me simplify this formula for any value of n. So suppose we don't know n, because n we will get from the user. N will be the user. N will be input given by the user. So n divided by 2. We know our a will always be 1, because sum of first n natural numbers, and our natural number starts from 1. So 2 into 1, which will be 2, plus n minus 1 d. D is what? Again 1. The difference between each consecutive number is 1. So into 1 will be n minus 1. So if we simplify this more, n by 2, 2 plus n minus 1, which will be n by 2. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So n plus 1. So n into n plus 1 . You can also write it like this: n into n plus 1 divided by 2, or n by 2 into n plus 1. So this will be the formula for sum of first n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. So if I solve it for 4, so it will be 4 into 5, which is what? 20 divided by 2. 4 into 5 divided by 2, 20 divided by 2, which is 10. You can verify. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1 is 10. So we are going to use this formula n into n plus 1 by 2 to solve this problem. So let me create a class. So the name will be sum of first n natural numbers. Let's give it 2, and we will pick our public static void main so that it is auto-populated. So we can copy the taking the input part. This is our scanner class. We asked the user to enter the value of n, and we took the n value from the user using sc.nextInt. We can copy that. Now we will apply the formula. So our sum value will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and we will simply print this sum. So let's run this program. So I will enter the value of n as 4, and you see the sum is given as 10. Let's run this program for other number. If it is 2, then it will be 1 plus 2, 3. Sum will be 3. Let me enter the value as 20. So sum will be 210. So this is how we solve the problem of sum of first n natural numbers using order of 1 approach. Sum of first n natural numbers using order of 1 approach. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thank you.